Show you how to design a birthday flyer like this in less than 1 minute. So this is how you do it. You go to canva.com, just search for it, and you click on the search button and search for birthday flyer. Once you click birthday flyer, you are going to see various options pop up, and you can scroll through and pick the one that is appropriate for you. So I'm going to pick just any of them right now and edit it. So when you click on the particular design that is preferable to you, you then go in to pick up your picture. But then, as I showed you the template, this is the template I'm going to use. Go to your gallery, drag in the picture you want to use for the flyer, and once you drag it in, you can just delete. Check the upload. Once it's done uploading, you click and change it here. Change the name as you prefer. Go to design. Under design, you can go to styles and change the color to your color of preference. You can also shuffle it as many times as you want till you get the best result. Then you go share, download, and holla, you have your birthday flyer in less than 1 minute. Subscribe to this channel for more content.